Hello friends, good evening. In today's video we will discuss that what should be taken care of while booking items on DNK customer portal so that our items may be cleared smoothly, easily and in faster way by customs authority. Dear friends, as you know, for commercial export, IEC, GSTIN, AD code and LUT. These four documents are essential documents, and without these your item will be not cleared by customs. So first of all you need to check whether these documents are available on your DNK profile or not. So for this purpose you have to go to the portal. On portal you have to go on the registered service, then you have to go DNK customer, then update DNK profile and scroll down. The last one, view all documents. Click here. If you are able to see your all documents, it means all documents means IEC, LUT, GSTIN and AD code, means your item, these documents are also visible on customs portal. What is the second thing? Second thing, that while booking your item, be careful in data entry. Data should be correct, like all the details of the addressee and senders, then product details, then the item descriptions, product descriptions. You don't use vague word like garments. Garments may be t-shirt, maybe shadi, maybe shirt, maybe pant. So what is the specific item? You have to mention there. You should properly mention cotton t-shirt. If you are exporting leather item, don't mention leather item. You mention there belt, ladies purse, maybe bag, handbags, trolley bags. So what you are sending, you have to mention correctly and specifically. Then correct HS code, correct quantity, correct value. Then after data entry you will be able to download. After booking of the items and payment, you will be able to download receipt, then custom declaration form, address slip and invoice. So print those invoice, print invoice, mention there item ID, for which item ID you are uploading this invoice. Okay, and this item ID should be noted on the back of the invoice when you are taking print. And then you sign on this invoice, and after signing upload it against the correct article ID, because if you upload any document, if you upload a wrong invoice or the invoice of other item in hurry, then it will be very difficult for the clearance. So you need to upload the invoice against each item. So if you are doing these four things, like correctly uploading your IEC, GSTIN, AD code and LUT, and you also confirm on the portal. In profile update, when you scroll down, at last you will see view all document. You see all documents. So if documents are visible, then customs will be able to see. Second, data quality, product descriptions, HS code, value, weight, quantity, etc. you have to mention properly. Third thing, you need to upload invoice, signed invoice against every item. And then what is the fourth thing? When you are entering the data, entering the value, do not mention, do not enter excess value. Don't write 1 lakhs for the item of 1000, because for this thing customs may penalize you. So if you are careful in data entry and documents are available, it will be cleared in faster way and your item will be reached in destination in time. Data quality is very important because all the data is shared to the destination customs, and most developed countries, in many developed countries, items are being cleared through system. So data quality will be play a very important role. So dear friends, I have posted various videos regarding the booking, uploading of documents, this KYC, documents upload, essential documents profile, in profile, that how can you upload this AD code, IEC, GSTIN, LUT, etc. In all topics the video is available. You go and see it properly. These are the some points which will help easy and faster customs clearance. Please share this video among your friends and other exporters. I am sure that if you are careful in doing these things, your items will not held in customs. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you may get the notification of my next video.